right. What is up, you guys? Jeez, these dumb people. I'm telling you, people don't know how to drive. Already off the bat, like, I don't get it. Okay. I'm watching a podcast right now. It's very interesting. Patrick Bet-David's podcast is very, very interesting. He just interviewed a European Parliament that is here in the States supporting Trump. They're talking about things that they don't want us talking about, guys. Like, seriously. This guy's saying that if America falls, Europe is next. Europe is next after if we fall. Because everything that we do, something will happen to Europe 6 months after. That's what he says. I'm like, it kind of makes sense. It kind of does make sense.
This is not only about Trump and Harris. This is not about Republicans and Democrats. It's not about America only. If Donald Trump wins, we have a chance to back to normality. Basically.
He says we have to. If Trump gets back, we have a chance to go back to normality.
What I see in Europe, whatever happens in America, 6 months later, we have it in Europe. Right? Guys in addresses, wokeness in full scale, gender ideology and all this. It started somewhere in here, and 6 months later we had it in Europe. So whatever happens in here, it's going to happen in Europe and in different parts of the world. So we need Trump. The world needs Trump because we need normality. Our Western civilization will be destroyed if he's not going to win. I believe he's going to win. That's why I'm here. The reason I came here, obviously, is because of your invitation. Thank you again. But I came here to join his team and campaign with Polish community, with the Poles who will vote in November. So I'm going to spend 12 weeks left. I'm gonna spend some time here, and I'm gonna work hard.
So he's basically here to support Trump and all that in the elections because he thinks that if we do not win this election with Trump, it's not gonna end well, guys. We have people in this country that are basically communists. They are a part of the Communist Party. They do not support what we are doing here. They do not like us. They want us dead. They want us gone. They want us gone. They want America to fall. Like, that's how important it is. You have to know what's going on. You have to know what's going on. And you have to know that right from wrong and good and bad, because it's going to be right in front of us. And if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. Yes, praise God. I see my friend. But I'm going to be getting in this gym here real quick. If you guys haven't seen that, go check it out, dude. That podcast was interesting. I'm going to rewatch it here during my gym session. Then I'm going to film some content for you guys. So, yeah. Hope y'all enjoyed that. I'm going to do chest and triceps today, so I'll make sure to do that. But But I'll for sure see you guys on the other side. So peace. All right, guys. I thought I recorded on my way back to the gym, but I didn't. But it's okay. But it was really just. I mean, honestly, I don't know. I might go live later today and might just rant about this later. But honestly, the one thing that I really asked about today was, why do people that have relationships or friendships move a certain type of way when it comes to when they only worry about themselves, when it's only one-sided, when the relationship or the friendship is only one-sided. I don't know why people move like that, because what me and my best friend learned about was valuing relationships, taking value in relationships. You feel me? Like I have one best friend and I've known him since 6th or 7th grade, but I've known a whole bunch of people since I was like a child, but I barely talk to him. So there's a difference between being a friend and being an acquaintance. If you're an acquaintance of mine, I know you, I know of you. I've met you before. We've known each other for during a period of time, but you don't talk to me at all. Like, that's not like, my friend is my best friend Jeremiah. Like, he be talking to me more often than anybody else. Like, dead serious. Like, and that's what's sad. Like, and that's why it's like you got a whole lot of men that are not really getting in relationships right now. They're not in a whole phase, but like they're just like not really in a committed aspect mindset right now because they've been hurt, they've been dumped, they've been cheated on, they've been doing they've been lied to, all this stuff. You can't help, like, all these females want to be saying that I'm just looking for a nice guy. Bro, you killed all of them. You killed all of them when you wanted to have your whole phase. You see, what you don't realize is that if you want a high value man, if you want a family, if you want a future, if you want offspring to produce for you after when you gone, you have to grow up. And growing up ain't easy. It ain't easy. I had to grow up when I was 14. I had to grow up when I was 14 as a young man. And really and truly younger than that. Probably about like 8 or 9. 8 or 9 I probably knew. But I know there's some dudes that I know that started earlier than that. But the thing is, though, is that I wasn't shown the bad part of life until I was like an adult. Like, I wasn't shown the streets until I was 18. And a lot of people don't know that. I wasn't shown the streets. I was not any of that. I made myself go into that because I needed to know what the world was like and how grimy the streets could be. I put myself through that. A lot of people be like, why the you do that? Bro, you need to know how real this world can be. When you shown that, it'll make you dictate how you should make your choices. It should, but a lot of the dudes that I know and a lot of the people that like me want to go down the path that they were shown. But at the end of the day, that's exactly what they want you to do. That's exactly what the system wants you to do. The system wants you to go down a path where it's the same narrative where it'll kill you. Where you'll continue to go through this generational curse. Stop and break the generational curse. Stop and break the narrative in your family. Be the black sheep in your family and change it all. I've been feeling like that for the longest time. I know I am. Anybody want to stop me? Try it. Try it. I'm in this for life. I ain't gonna retire. I ain't gonna stop working. I ain't gonna stop until I'm dead. I ain't gonna stop until I need to stop, until God tells me to stop. My flesh ain't gonna make me stop. I'm gonna keep going until God tells me to stop. You see, a lot of people, when they retired or when they on disability, they be like, oh, I got all this, that, and the third. All right, bet. Who told you to retire? Your flesh or God? I hear crickets after that. Still haven't gotten the answer either. When you're on disability, you can't freaking work, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? You can't work, what you gonna do? You just gonna be bored at the house. You gonna go insane just by being isolated. That ain't right. That ain't good. Come on, man. We all gotta be smarter than this, man. We all gotta be smarter. And here's the thing. I'm not from the hood. I'm not none of that. I'm none of this. I'm not trying to act hard or nothing. This is just real. I'm real. I'm real as it gets. And if you can't deal with that, don't subscribe to the channel. Don't listen to the content. Don't do none of that. And it's not going to offend me. I'm just real. And if you ain't going to be real, then don't be around me. Because I need to be around real. I need to be around people that want to be told the truth and want to seek the truth. I'm a different breed. I'm cut from a different cloth. I promise you this. And people are gonna know. People are gonna know my last name. And people are gonna remember my last name. Remember that. You know, it's a little rant. I didn't mean to rant, but like, dude, a lot of people don't get it. A lot of people seriously do not get it. I do this for different things. I do this for a whole different thing, man. And people will not understand until they see it. And the people are gonna see it through my life. For sure. But that's what I wanted to ask y'all today. And of course, you know, I appreciate y'all for the I appreciate y'all for the subscribers. I appreciate y'all. If you guys haven't already, again, leave a like and comment and subscribe down to the channel, and don't miss any new content that's coming to the channel, guys. We're gonna be working hard. We're gonna be pushing. We're gonna be grinding. So stay tuned for more content, and stay tuned because we're gonna be putting in the work. We're gonna be putting in the work. We're gonna make things happen. I'm gonna be traveling these next few days, this next week, and I'm gonna be networking. So anybody that's gonna be in Arizona, let me know, and we're gonna link up. We're gonna link up, do some work, put in the work, put in the effort, make some money, because we about peace, unity, and community, and we about taking care of people, man. We about taking care of people. We can't save people, and we know we can't take care. Like we can't, like cater to people. But I know for a fact we can show people work and life skills on how to survive until God comes and gets us. All right, it's more than just doing a good deed. It's about having a good heart. All right. So I hope that y'all have a great day. God bless y'all. Peace.